Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change account age on Epic Games. To start, open the Epic Games app. When doing so, click on your username and click on Account. When the browser opens with our profile, click on the Parental Controls section. You are going to enter your account PIN and click Confirm. Now at the bottom, in Epic Games Store, you can assign the age as you consider necessary. Each age range will request the PIN or not. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.